In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in ActiveCampaign, perfect for beginners looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. Let's dive right into it and make the most out of this powerful platform. First, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account at activecampaign.com. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Automations. This is the section where all the magic happens, where you can create automated workflows to engage with your audience effectively. At the top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled Create an Automation. Go ahead and click on that. What you'll see next is a list of automation templates like Welcome Series, Abandoned Cart, or Engage Subscribers. These templates are great if you're in a hurry or need some inspiration. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be starting from scratch, giving you the flexibility to tailor the automation to your specific needs. Next up, let's talk about triggers. A trigger is essentially what gets your automation started. Common triggers you'll encounter include when someone subscribes to a list, when a tag is added, when an email is opened or clicked, when a form is submitted, and even when a purchase is made if you've connected your e-commerce data. Choose the trigger that best aligns with your desired workflow and then click Continue. Now we're ready to add your first action. You can do this by clicking the plus button. You'll see various options organized by type. Under sending options, you can choose to send an email, SMS, or other notifications. If you're interested in more complex workflows, the conditions and workflow section allows you to implement if-else conditions, wait times, or redirect users to different parts of the automation. The contacts section lets you manage tags or add notes, while CRM is there if you're keen on creating deals or updating pipelines. Let's walk through a simple example to illustrate this process. Suppose you're creating a welcome automation. You could set the trigger as subscribes to list, the first action as send welcome email, followed by wait 1 day, and then send follow-up email. To send an email, select send an email. If you haven't crafted one yet, you can click create a new email and use ActiveCampaign's intuitive email builder. As you continue to build your automation, consider adding additional steps like tagging your users for segmentation, sending timely follow-ups, or even adding conditions such as checking if a contact opened an email. Once you've set everything up, locate the Active button in the upper right corner of your screen and click it to turn on your automation. It's always a good practice to test your new automation. You can do this by subscribing with a test email address or triggering the conditions as planned. For those looking to enhance their automations further, remember that you can use goals and wait conditions to add a layer of sophistication and personalization.